What do you want to do?
Can we do handstands?
Yeah, let's do handstands. We're in the woods, and what do my kids want to do? Let's see it. It's working. Let's see your handstands.
It's working.
It's working.
You go first.
All right, let's see it. Way to go, Bella. Way to go, Ev. Let's see your cartwheel, buddy.
Okay. Is it all dirty, Daddy?
No, you're not bad. Oh, buddy, you did a better one earlier. Whoa, you went to your head. Don't do that.
Wait till I can...
All right, let's run up the trail.
I'm going to do a cartwheel.
Okay, let's see it.
Wait, I didn't do that.
Oh, nice job.
I'm going to do another handstand.
Okay, let's see it. Good girl.
I'm doing London to it. Daddy, watch this. Come on, guys.
Nice.
I'm going to do...
Nice job. Nice job. You guys rule. Go run up and get Sebastian. Let's go. Let's see it.
I'll see you later. I want to go in the tent. I'm sleeping in the tent.
Let's go. Let's go set up the tent. Go on.
How come?
Wow, you are so tough, Bella. Let's go.
Is my hair dirty?
No, your hair's not dirty at all. We're coming, buddy. Here we come. Buddy, do you want to play in the water? There goes my little blonde boy. Let's go, guys. Let's go. March. Run, run. You okay, Belle?